I am pleased to once again address this august gathering of SCO leaders. We thank India for its stewardship of the SCO this past year, and I congratulate Kazakhstan on assuming the chairmanship of SCO for 2023-24. My best wishes to my brother, His Excellency Qasim Jomart Tokayev, President of Kazakhstan, as the incoming SCO chairman. And I am very confident that under his sagacious leadership, the SCO will continue to grow and prosper. Let me also congratulate my brother, President Ibrahim Ra'isi, on the Islamic Republic of Iran's accession to the SCO as a full member. We warmly welcome you and are confident that Iran's inclusion will immensely benefit this organization. We also look forward to welcoming Belarus, another friend of Pakistan, as a full member at the next summit. I am also delighted to congratulate Bahrain, Kuwait, Maldives, Myanmar, and United Arab Emirates on their accession as new dialogue partners.